Hello everyone, this is Jyoti here from tutor.com, and today in this video tutorial I'll show you how to create subscription plan in Tutor LMS so you can sell your online courses using recurring monthly or half yearly or a yearly payments. By the end of the tutorial, you will get a complete knowledge about how to create a complete subscription based LMS website which is ready to accept student and generate recurring revenue. You can keep the subscription plan with other options like one-time purchase or membership. And if you want to create a only subscription based course, I mean the course access you will get by the subscription plan only, you can do that also. Now before begin, let's understand why the subscription plan are important. Instead of charging student a one-time fee, subscription plan allow you to generate recurring income, improve student retention, and also it help you to build a scalable online education business. So let's start. So this is my dashboard, and here I already successfully installed Tutor LMS Pro because this subscription add-on is available only in the Tutor LMS Pro version. If you have free version, then you have to install Tutor LMS Pro and then only you can use this subscription plans. Okay, so as you can see here, I already activated this subscription add-on from the add-on session of the Tutor LMS Pro. So now let me open a course. Here actually, as you can see, I already create some courses. So now let me open a random course. Suppose I am opening the first course. So by default in the purchase option, as you can see, one time purchase only option is selected. So from here actually you have to select all. Here all means I want to keep all the option, one time purchase, subscription and membership plan. Both option I want to keep. As you can see here in the demo courses, here one time purchase option, subscription option and the membership option all is here. Okay, so here I am keeping it all. After that, here in the downside, here you can see the add subscription option. Click on that. So the first subscription plan name I am giving as 1 month plan and rate suppose 20 USD, and billing interval I am keeping 1 month because it is 1 month plan, and billing cycle I am keeping it until cancelled. Okay, now if you want to charge enrollment fee from the student, you can enable that and you can mention the fee here, suppose $2. Okay, but I don't think that is important, so let me uncheck this one. After that, do not provide certificate. If you want the student who will buy the 1 month plan, they are not going to get certificate after completing the course. If you want that option, then you have to check that. After that, if you want to make this plan as a feature plan, then you have to enable this one. After that, in the downside, you can see one option is there, offer sale price. If you want to give any discounted rate for this plan, then you have to enable that. Suppose at the place of $20, here I am mentioning $18, and if you want to schedule the sale, then you have to enable that. After that, here you have to mention the sale starting date, sale starting time, sale ending date and sale ending time. So now let me disable this one, and after that let me click in the save option. So in this way you can create membership plan. Let me create another membership plan. So again let me click in the add subscription option, and plan name here I am giving 6 month plan, and here the rate suppose I am giving around 80 USD, and the billing interval will be 6 months, and billing cycle I am keeping until cancelled, and here I am not going to charge any enroll fee, so I am keeping it unchecked only. After that, do not provide certificate. I want the certificate should be provided, so I am not checking this one. After that, mark as feature. If you want to mark this plan as a feature plan, then you can enable that, and I don't want to give any discounted rate, so I am not enabling this offer sale price option. Let me click in the save option. So now let me create another subscription plan. So again I have to click in this add subscription, and the plan name I am giving yearly plan, and the rate suppose I am keeping 130 USD, and the billing interval will be 1 year and billing cycle will be until cancelled. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Okay, now let me click in the save option. So once done, you have to update the course. So now let me view the course how it's look like. So as you can see, that is my course, and here as you can see, one time purchase, subscription option and membership option all is coming because I keep it all, because here you can see in the purchase option I select all, so here all the option is coming. If I click in the subscription plan, then you can see all the subscription plan I just created. Okay, and hope you remember when I creating the subscription plan for the 6 month plan, I checked it as a feature plan. So here you can see the start sign is coming at the side of this 6 month plan. Now suppose I want the course is accessible only through the subscription plan. Means I want to create the course as a subscription only course. So what I have to do? So for that, let's come back to the dashboard, and here in the purchase option, instead of select all, you have to select subscription only. Let me click in the update option. Now let me come back to the course page and let me refresh the page once. So now you can see only this subscription only are displaying for purchasing the course. So if some student want to purchase this course, they have to take one subscription plan, then only they will get the access of the course. Even when I'm choosing the subscription plan, in the downside here you can see all the details are showing. Like for the 1 month plan, it's showing billed every month until cancelled, and if I choose the 6-month plan, here it's showing the billed every 6 months until cancelled and certificate available. Because for the 1 month I don't want to provide the certificate for the student. As you can see here, for the 1 month plan, if I click in the edit option, I mark at do not provide certificate, so that option is not displaying here. But for the remaining 6-month plan or yearly plan, you can see that certificate available option is coming. Hope you understand how to create and integrate the subscription plan in the Tutor LMS courses, and also hope you understand how to create subscription only courses. I am ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. Hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.